this video, we're going to go through 6 eBay items that are selling really well right now. They're in different categories. The first 3 are actually in the camping category, but different child categories. So let's jump straight into that right now. So let's just back a step. If you don't know how to get to this feature, you just go to your eBay dashboard drop-down menu, go to research, slide on over to eBay bestsellers, and boom, here we are. Okay, so the first category we're going to do is camping ovens. So we're going to go ahead and type that in. And here we have camping ovens. So we're going to click on that. That's going to bring up some data for us. Okay, so for this example, instead of honing in on one, we're actually going to show you that in the first page of results, the top 10, there's actually the same item 3 times. So let's have a look. It's a 12-volt portable stove for camping. This is it here. This particular seller in the lifetime of the listing has sold 1,040. And then we have, not that one. Oh, I missed the first one. Another one here. Same thing, a 12-volt portable oven. They've sold 2,035 in the life of their listing. And then let's have a look at the last one here. So 3 on the first 10 listings of everything to do with camping ovens. So this one particular item is doing really well. This one is a newer listing. They've sold 290. If we have a look at their sell history and just kind of scroll through, last one was the 18th of November. And as you can see, it's a pretty good steady seller. And that's just one of the sellers. Okay, so that is the very first item we wanted to show you in the category of camping ovens. As you can see here, camping ovens. Okay, let's go have a look at the next category. So we're going to go back. We just press View Categories, and it'll take us back to our home page. The next category we're going to look at, again, camping. We're on a bit of a roll here with camping this time, is camping furniture. We'll click on that. Okay, so as you can see here, we're in camping furniture. Now this one is this second one down here. As you can see, they've sold 1,112, and the price here says $79.95. So let's click on that. So this is an aluminium camping table that folds up and seats 4 people, 2 benches. Like we said, they've sold 1,112. So let's click on their sell history and quick scroll through. You can see that's a pretty good seller. Okay, for some reason they had a lot of sales in August. A lot of sales in August. Okay, so that was our second one. Again in camping, but in a child category, camping furniture, especially that item, doing pretty good. And of course, if you have a look here, you will see that pretty much the ones that are monopolizing the top are some kind of table is really what's selling best in that category. So let's look at our third category, which is again in camping. Okay, this one is in tents. I think we can actually just type in tents. Okay, so if we go under sporting goods, tents. Okay, now although this isn't a tent per se, the items that's doing super well and is priced quite well too, it's a bit of a higher ticket item, is this travel cover here. So it's a PVC travel cover for a camper trailer. So that's selling for $230. They've sold 3,273 for the life of the listing. Have a look at their sell history. Okay, as you can see, there's a sell price, $230. Last one purchased 18th of November. And that's a good consistent seller as well. Okay, getting back to the 17th of July. And they're selling them consistently for that same price. Okay, so that was our third category of an item that's doing well in the category of tents. Okay, this top selling item is in the category, it's in the parent category under baby here, and we're actually looking at baby monitors. So we'll go and type that in. There we go. Monitors, that's 20435 for the category number. Okay, so we have that here, and the item we're looking at is the very top. So it's just also in the category you'll see of security cameras as well. If you look at the top of the listing, so it's a baby monitor, but it also has other uses, as you can see here, indoor home baby pet monitor. So it has sold 1,211 in the life of the listing. Right now it's being sold on sale for $55.99 rather, and as you can see, well, actually they're selling it for different prices. It was sold for cheaper here, and then now they've raised the price. So as you can see, last date of purchase just on the 21st of November, they sold 2. Here they sold 4. And if you look at the dates, they're selling pretty good, very consistently over a fairly short period of time. Goes back to 9th of September. Okay, so that's our top selling item in the category of baby monitors. For our second category, we're doing baby. So we're using the same parent category here, but we're doing cots and cribs. So we're going to type that in. So here, baby's the parent category, and we're using this one, cots and cribs. So just wait while it brings that up. Okay, so same as the other one, we're using the top item, which is this one here. Let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, so in the life of the listing, they've sold 2,642. They are charging something for postage. And if you look at the sale history, it's a good solid seller for a good price. So last date of purchase 20th of November, and selling very consistently, as you can see. Back to the 14th of March. Okay, so that's our second item for our top 6, and that is baby playpens, cot, bassinets in the category of cots and cribs. Okay, now let's get on to our top category. Okay, this is our top item. This item has sold 109 in 6 days and a whopping 25 in a 24-hour period. So it's in the health and beauty section, and it is straightening curling irons section. So here we go. Health and beauty is the parent category. Straightening curling irons. Let's open that up. Okay, so here we have it here. The item we are looking at is this second one from the top. Full disclosure, when I saw this item, I bought one myself for my daughter who's got a birthday coming up. So if you have a look, they have sold 2,815 for the life of this listing. And if you click on the purchase history, they've got from the 21st of November. If you scroll here, they are selling like hotcakes. So this data that eBay is giving is only the last 6 days. So they've sold 109 in the last 6 days. And I'll screenshot that if I can and put that in on the, I believe it is the 17th. In that period, they sold 25. So you can have a look here. Sometimes they're selling multiples. So this is our top category under health and beauty, with the category of straightening and curling irons, this item here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and that these are helpful. As always, if you want to check out the video on how to use our eBay best-selling research feature, I will leave a link to that below.